Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
Hey guys, Storm Team meteorologist Charlie Goldstein here, tracking a clearing night for us. Can't rule out a stray shower or two before midnight, but we should be dry from then on, with temperatures falling under a partly cloudy sky into the mid and upper 60s. Out the door tomorrow, still partly cloudy, maybe a stray shower across the area. We'll talk about that in a minute. And temperatures warming quickly from about 70 early in the morning all the way towards 80 by about 10 in the morning. So let's go ahead and track out the rest of the evening. Again, a spotty stray shower can't really be ruled out through midnight. As we go into the morning, some of the more high-resolution models have tried to pick up on maybe a shower or two tomorrow morning out the door. I don't think that's very likely. I think all that activity will hold off for us until the afternoon. Right about 1 o'clock, I think those storms will fire up, and continuing through dinner time. Even after dinner time, we could see a few showers and storms. These could be pretty gusty at times, maybe bringing a little bit of wind with them, definitely a lot of lightning, and definitely some very heavy rainfall out of them. So highs tomorrow in the low 90s to upper 80s across the area. Some areas a little warmer than others, like 93 Moundville and 87 in Coleman. Again, you get the picture, pretty much a summer day out there. And our shower and storm chance is being fueled by an upper-level wave that will start to flatten out into Tuesday. That will decrease our rain chance for Tuesday. Going into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, though, we get a much higher rain chance, and that's thanks to a big upper-level low pressure moving through the eastern U.S. You can see it there up towards the upper Midwest in those blue colors. So that will have big changes for the forecast for us as we go later into the week. Rain chances spiking up to 50% for Thursday. I expect the bulk of the rain to come on through between Wednesday night and Thursday morning at this point. Now, the timing of that could still change, still a lot to iron out, but we could get a lot of rainfall out of that before we start to dry out next weekend. And hey, look at this. Temperatures becoming much more comfortable, starting in the lower 90s for the first half of the week. By Thursday, limited to the lower 80s, and we stick there for several days after, even into next weekend. So looking forward to next weekend for some very nice weather after we get a good dose of rainfall, expecting maybe 1 inch to 2 inches across the area on average. In general, the further north you are, you can expect just a little bit more rain out there. So spotty storms tomorrow afternoon, a couple less of them on Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday, rain chances really pick up ahead of our next system. Temperatures fall from the 90s for the first half of the week down into the 80s, and looking forward to a beautiful weekend ahead.